Did you know that it takes an engineer exactly 9 minutes to free fall 29 kilometers? It's the same exact time that it takes them to race a mountain bike for 2,831 meters. Nope, downhill. It's also the same time it takes an engineer to complete 2 obstacles in a Tough Mudder race. Or to consider cleaning up spilled coffee. Or to install and commission an ABB ACH480 drive for HVAC applications. That's right, ACH480, built-in HVAC features in a reliable drive with optimized design and an incredibly intuitive user interface, which means you don't even have to be an engineer to get it up and running.